do you also wish that as soon as you receive a new lead from Google Ads, automatically the lead details should be added into your Zoho CRM so that you can follow up with the leads more effectively, more faster, and without any efforts? So yes, in this video I'll show you how you can instantly add your Google Ads leads to Zoho CRM without any manual intervention using Pabbly Connect. So to do this, I've already created a connection between Google Ads and Zoho CRM. Now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from Google Ads, automatically the lead details will be added as new contacts in Zoho CRM, and I created this using Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to create this, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. If you are a new user, click on this sign up for free. Sign up inside Pabbly Connect and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. Then log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder. And if you are an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder. 100 of tasks free means that you can add up to 100 leads to Zoho CRM for free. Yes, this is so useful, right? You can try this automation for free and you can try Pabbly Connect for free. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely purchase the lifetime subscription for Pabbly Connect. Also, by using this coupon code, you're going to get a heavy discount. Lifetime plan means that you're going to get unlimited tasks which are never going to end. It is a never-ending plan and you can create multiple amazing automations for your own business without worrying about the task count. So if you also want to purchase this with a heavy discount, I have attached the coupon code in the description box, and also you can see it on the screen. You can use this to purchase Pabbly Connect today. So let's move on further and see how we can create this automation. For that, you have this window. This is the most important window of an automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, search for Google Ads and select Google Ads. For the event, you have to select it as new lead form entry and click on this connect, and you're going to receive this webhook URL. So copy this webhook URL and open your Google Ads campaign. And in this campaign, I have added this lead form. And right now I'm going to connect this lead form with Pabbly Connect. Alright, so to connect this, I'm just going to scroll, and as you can see in this lead form, I've added the name, email, phone number and the company name. So let's connect this with Pabbly Connect. For that, you have to scroll and go towards this lead delivery option. Open this and you're going to see it is asking to add the webhook URL. So simply paste the webhook URL which you copied from the workflow right over here. After you paste the webhook URL, it is asking for the key. So enter the key and click on this send test data. It is saying test data sent. So let's open our workflow. It is saying waiting for webhook response. So we just have to wait for a few seconds. And as you can see that Pabbly has successfully captured the test details which we sent right from here. As you can see, we have captured the company name, the phone number, the email, the first name and last name. And yes, we have successfully captured these details. This means that the connection between Google Ads and Pabbly Connect is successful. Now whenever we're going to receive a new lead from Google Ads, automatically the details will be captured right over here and this workflow is going to get triggered. Now what you have to do is just close this and click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Zoho CRM. So let's search for Zoho CRM selected. For the event, select it as create contact and click on this connect. Now if you already created a connection between Zoho CRM and Pabbly Connect, then click on this, select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Zoho CRM. Now it is asking me for the domain. So to get this domain, open your Zoho CRM account and over here in the URL you're going to get the domain, which is after this https://crm dot and before this /crm. So as you can see that this is my domain, which is zoho.in. So let's copy and paste it right over here. Your domain can be anything from below. My domain is zoho.in, so I've entered it. Now after entering the domain, click on this save, and once we click on this save, over here it is asking me for some permissions. So let's click on this I allow Pabbly Connect to access the above data from my Zoho account and then accept. You can give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for. Your data is 100% safe with us, no need to worry. Now it is asking me for the lead source. So yes, the lead source is Google, so I'm just just going to select it. Now it is asking me for many other details. So one by one we are going to enter the lead details right over here, but we are not going to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So as you can see, I've mapped this first name, last name and email. Now it is asking me for many another details, but we are only going to enter the details which are required or the details which we wish to fill in. After entering the details, I'm just going to move on further and click on this save and send test request. Now we have received the positive response that we have successfully created a new contact in Zoho CRM. So let's open our Zoho CRM and I'm going to refresh it right over here. We're going to refresh this contact list and you're going to see the contact list is updated and the new lead details have been added. Be it the name, be it the email or be it the phone number, the details have been added right over here as new contacts. So yes, with this we have successfully completed this workflow. Now whenever we're going to receive a new lead from Google Ads, automatically a new contact will be created in Zoho CRM. All of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For the reference, I'll add the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check it out and create this amazing automation for your own business too. Further, if you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, the discount code is attached in the description box below and it's also available on the screen. You can check it out and purchase Pabbly Connect today, but only if you like it while you are trying. So go and try this amazing automation. See you in the next video with many more automation tips. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.